We're designing how to design professional color looks for print. Begin by opening your image and checking its brightness and contrast, because print requires controlled tones. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and preview LUT presets that enhance color harmony without exaggeration. Choose one that refines tones and reduce opacity until the effect appears subtle. Print color grading should look clean and balanced. Next, add a curves adjustment layer and carefully adjust midtones so details remain visible when printed. Toggle adjustments on and off to ensure improvements are consistent. Zoom in to inspect fine textures and edges for clarity. If certain areas appear too strong, mask the LUT layer and soften the effect.